welcome to the House of Sugar Creek. I am Taylor Bradford, and I'm so excited that you're here because I am taking you along with me to southern Colorado, and I'm going to show you our adventures, which included hiking to a couple of waterfalls and my tour through Pagosa Springs on the hunt for any kind of thrifting or antiques, and then also showing you where we stayed. So first up is where we stayed. Okay, so let's do a tour of where we have been staying. This is the Wolf Creek Ranch Ski Lodge. Now there are only 3 or 4 cabins in here that are maintained by that company. And right when you pull in, there's another facility called Alpine Accents that's got, I think, 7 different cabins on their property. And this is a little subdivision, so there are second homes in here for people. Like I said, there's like 3 or 4 cabins that you can rent that are a part of the facility we're staying at. And it sits right on the Rio Grande River. And you just turn down this little lane here. Our cabin is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, full kitchen. It's got internet, has a big TV. It's got heaters in there, and you just run the fans, keep your windows open during the day. And you are just literally right on the water. It's like a slice of paradise. Alright, so this is the front porch of the cabin. Right on the river. There's another cabin over on the other side. So let's back up here. Here is the cabin. There's a fire pit over there and a picnic table over there. So let's go in through the front door. It's kind of cool. It's got this little opening, so if you want the door closed but a little bit of breeze, you can open that. So here is the inside of the cabin. Super cute, super quaint. Electric fireplace in the corner. It's actually real gas, but you turn it on with a click of the button over there. And this is a pull-out. I don't know if this one is or not, but I wouldn't recommend putting more than 4 people in this cabin. Single bathroom, tub and shower, and then queen size bed. And you've got a small closet area and a little tiny built-in. Same thing on this other side. Queen bed, small built-in, small closet. Perfect size, perfect for 2 people, a little cramped for 4, but we made do. It's nice to be able to have a full-size kitchen to work with. There's a grocery store in town. It's not much of one, but there you go. There is the tour of our quaint little cabin. So in our last adventure to a waterfall, we actually had to hike it was a marked trail, but it was super sandy, and my father-in-law encountered some murder hornets that came out of the ground, and anyways, I took a fall to get away. So that's awesome. Super awesome. It's swollen. It's not broke, thankfully, but all for the waterfall. Alright, so I am in Pagosa Springs doing some exploring, a little exploring, and I'll take you along with me. Let's go take a look at the Pagosa Baking Company. And look, a little free library. Alright, so I just picked up pumpkin muffin from Pagosa Baking Company. It's actually really, really delicious. It's not too sweet. The focus is definitely on the pumpkin. And directly across the street is an antique shop. So you know, I have to go. Alright, nothing in the antique store that I couldn't live without, so onwards we go. Alright, I just stumbled on the Humane Society thrift store, and we're gonna go in and see what we can find. Okay, nothing caught my attention in there, but I appreciate a good thrift store. Man, that's so pretty. Some people swimming, tubing. That's fun. I have stumbled on another antique mall. You can see I'm in a booth, and look what I just found. And I have no way to get it home. It's a really good price. This booth has some fantastic items in it. So that wraps up that trip, and we had a really, really, really good time. We actually are on the hunt for a place to call home there during some summer vacationing, so that's exciting. We also adventured through Creed, which is a mining town, and went through their mining museum, which was fascinating. Literally, they built a fake mine in the side of a mountain, and within 2 steps inside the mine you were already in like 55 degrees. It was crazy. And we explored the downtown area of Creed, which was a little disappointing, just going to lay that out there. But for the most part, we stuck around South Fork, Colorado, Pagosa Springs, and then every kind of which way in between. So I hope that you get a chance to go explore that part of Colorado. It is so beautiful.
If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'm going to pop up a subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Drop me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time.